All right. Welcome back, everybody. So, as a continuation of our solar pergola, these are the hats that we spoke of a couple of weeks ago. The design has changed a little bit because, my dad did most of the hard work and we had some design differences. So, but, his his design looks better, so we went with his design. And this is the hat, the transition point that we created, and we're going to mount the support beam, which will be a 2 by 8 by 12, pretty much. It's actually a little. These gaps are a little bigger than 12 feet, so a little longer than 12 feet. So we're gonna have to buy a 2 by 12 by 16. I mean 2 by 8 by 6. Why can't I talk today? All right, well, 2 by 8 by 16s, and we're gonna have to trim it down to fit the gaps. So here's just an intermediate take, and hopefully we'll have more to show you this afternoon. Now, some of you may be wondering, since you're building all these pergolas and overhangs, what kind of plans are you working with? Well, there it is. Just kind of scribbled on a napkin kind of plan design, so we can go to the hardware store and buy the pieces of wood needed. All right, it's the afternoon. We put up some batter boards to kind of get a reference of how the gazebo or the overhang's going to look. And we only managed to get one vertical support and horizontal beam up for reference. So that is a perfect square that we're going to start with. And tomorrow we'll come back and continue laying out the three-dimensional space.